Good morning, everybody. I'm Christina. I'm also the mobile home mama standing outside a 16 by 76, and this is a newbie, a brand new floor plan, and oh, ooh la la, is it beautiful. I love what they did out here with the vertical batten and then the horizontal siding. I think that looks super sharp, very modern. We've got cream on the outside with black shutters. Wow, wait till I open this door. Craftsman door welcoming us to this baby. Cool cedar entertainment center on the wall. You can see it's ready for your flat screen TV. We've got an electrical outlet and also a TV phone jack about halfway up the wall. But I want you to get this full effect here. My whistler's broke. There we go. Oh, all this modern stuff happening. We have a double wide, a sectional home called the Colson, and it's like they took the kitchen right out of that beautiful home and put it right here in this single wide. So we've got a two-tone island with white in the corner post and cool cedar to match the entertainment center. On the bottom of the island, on top, we've put Lysola black in a Formica countertop. And then on the other side, we've got our dishwasher, of course, and some storage. We've got the black globe lights up here. Super, super modern. What they've done here is fantastic. And then over here on the back wall, we've got some shelving. And then a Luma marble happening back here with a laminate backsplash. We've got drawers over doors, black handles, natural on the floor. That's the color of that floor. Well, the name of the color of the floor. And it is just a nice, pretty brown. Looks very natural, like wood. And then what do we have over here? Oh, you know, you don't see this in a single wide. This will be the first. We've got a microwave and a tower. Yes. Cabinets all the way up to the ceiling. Yes. We don't want to clean that grease anymore up there. It's funny how the world is changing and valuing their time more by doing little things like that. They don't want to clean up there. This is a Whirlpool stainless steel package with the European stainless steel hood up above. Very nice gas stove. And then also the first time I have ever seen a corner pantry in a single wide, accented with a cool cedar up against the wall. Plenty of storage for all your canned goods and all of your food that you want to store. Look at this. Oh, wow. So excited about this. I will be adding this to my lined up. So stay tuned for the name and some pricing here. Give me a little bit to get it added. And then coming into the utility room, nice and spacious here too. A 9-light residential on the back door. And then some very nice utility cabinets. So washer on one side, boom, that's here. We've got a main water shut off, and then your dryer on the other. So you would be able to pull your clothes out, fold them, keep them in. Kiddos, come get your clothes. There you go. Very functional utility room. And then it just keeps getting better and better. Primary bedroom. And they went with the Sesame Chateau. So if you're looking at a floor plan, by the way, here's a little bit of tidbit of information. And you see on the floor plan some little X's along the walls of the floor plan. That's where you can add an accent wall. Sesame Chateau here. Casper Cashmere is the main panel throughout. And if you look on the standard features, it will say main panel throughout and then accent walls available. And you can mix and match them. It's your design, it's your home. We're just here to build it. All right, coming into the primary bath. The framed mirrors, can I just say, I know I've said this before, but it just classes things up a little bit. And then this customer has added the square sinks, European style faucets, got a laminate backsplash there with an extended vanity, 2 sinks, his and hers. And perfect bathroom, perfect ensuite. This looks really great. Here's your primary closet. Sesame Chateau continuing in the closet. And then when I whip it around here, a walk-in shower. Now, we've got plenty of room. You can change the walk-in shower. You can do a tiled walk-in shower, whatever floats your boat, you can do over here. And that's the great thing about a Champion home is, good morning, is that you choose the floor plan, you sit down with me, we go through the order form, and we make it yours through colors, options, upgrades, things like that. Look, when you just walk in here. Ooh, I get so excited. All right, heading back to the other end of the home. By the way, while we're taking a walk here, open house September the 19th. Give me a call if you would like to attend. We're gonna have some really amazing deals going on that day, and then also some treats and some food and lenders and vendors and install guys. Everybody's gonna be there. Great time to gather information and also a great time to save some money. Here's bedroom number 3. So this is a 16 by 76, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We don't know what to call it yet, but today I'm gonna call it beautiful. As always, thanks for watching.